Here is the Mars make Anderson bridge to find the unknown inductance. In our bridge, here is the bridge circuit, sine wave input, digital null detector, unknown inductance series. There is the S arm, variable S arm, small r arm, capital R. Here is the C is the capacitance. P and Q are the fixed, and D is detector. Anderson bridge is used to find the unknown inductance. We have incorporate signal generator and unknown value in same setup. Now connections, follow the procedure, the manual, see the video over here. Here input sine wave is connected in this terminal between. Connect C standard capacitance over here, choose any one value, detector, here we use digital null detector, unknown inductance, choose any one value, switch on the instruments and set the value R to any value and make the bridge near to 0 or resonance point by varying this and this, so that it will null detector show you minimum value or resonance value. Next video I will tell you how these readings are taken and put in the formulation.